I don't know. I've been eating burgers, like Big Macs all my life.
Are you hungry right now?
I'm actually hungry. I did not eat lunch today.
I don't feel hungry right now. Hello and welcome to WT Food. You're here for the $50 food challenge. I am Team Whopper today.
And I'm Team Big Mac.
I'm Team Burger King because they're the king of burgers. McDonald's is, I don't know, smaller food, easier food to eat.
Yeah, no, see, I've been training for this since I've been 4 years old. And, you know, Big Mac's is going to win. I'm going to go blow through this. And I'm the champion. So, you know, I got to keep it going. I got to keep that streak going. Let's
see what happens.
We got the big boss man here, but you know what? I'm not going to let up. I have to win.
Yeah, there's no boss today here. This is a one-on-one challenge.
Usually when I go in, I'll get a Big Mac, I'll get a McDouble, a McChicken, sometimes a parfait just to be on that healthy side every now and then. Oh yeah, and like a medium high C.
Okay. Funny thing is I'm usually a McDonald's eater, but for Burger King I would usually do 2 Whoppers, extra large fries, chicken tenders, and a Diet Coke to keep it healthy.
Oh, okay. Oh God.
Big size difference.
Oh wow.
Big size difference.
This is the time to prove myself.
Smell's getting to me, so we gotta just get started.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, hello. I want to cry tears of joy. It's so good.
Every time he finishes a burger, we're gonna add another burger to your plate, and vice versa.
Let's go.
Have we weighed the 2 before? Oh man, we need a scale.
Just trying to go, just put it down and feel the effects later. Whew. Okay. Back in the game, pit stop.
Oh, I didn't even see that one below it. Oh God, now it's really starting to hurt.
I've been just like in the zone. Like, you remember that movie Biker Boys? Lawrence Fishburne. He had that tunnel vision.
Cheers, guys.
Can you even compare that?
Yeah. But think about, look at the height of this. Look at and all this bread.
Pretty similar height.
Yeah.
But look at all the bread I'm getting. I'm getting filled up.
I shouldn't talk. This is depressing.
Well,
I want to see how heavy these are. Oh, they're pretty heavy. Oh, come on. These are so much heavier. Why are these soggy on the end? All right, here's...
buy him.
6.7 ounces.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. That didn't taste good.
Yeah, it's getting like that, huh?
Everything's just mushing together now.
Yep. Oh man. Okay. Come on. Ooh. This is like all bread. That's like, oh man. Oh God.
It doesn't end well.
Oh wow. That wall, when it hits, it hits.
It doesn't taste like a Whopper anymore. That's the worst part.
So much bread. Oh my goodness. Whew.
All right.
Okay. 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 That was so different. Oh God.
Yeah, this tastes good now. Change of taste. I love the Whopper, but it's a change of taste.
Oh my goodness.
I really shouldn't take another bite.
Oh God.
3, 2, 1. You're done.
Oh no.
Put your burgers
Put your
down.
burgers down. Let's tally it up.
I feel so heavy.
Kevin, are you a
I
champion?
need to get out of here.
Yes, yeah, 2 weeks in a row. And 2 weeks in a row is getting good, but I know that challenge is coming next week, and I'm just gonna say bring it on, because I'm gonna be here every week until I lose, which will be never. So let's get it. WT Food.
Bye, guys.
See ya. Well, who drank more water? Oh wait, that won't make a difference.
Thanks for tuning in to WT Food.